People, here it is, day five. Day five. I'm halfway through this green cleanse that I'm doing, this green juice cleanse that I'm doing. Hey, by the way, every time I sit down and do a video, I just walk up. It's not scripted. I don't know what I'm gonna say. I just sit down and go off the top of my head. But nevertheless, today was a struggle. Yeah, today was a struggle. I figured out one of my triggers to the reason why I gained as much weight as I did. When I have something on my mind or when I'm stressed, my go-to is food for some odd reason lately. When I was younger, it wasn't, wasn't go-to food or anything to that nature. But if I have something on my mind, my go-to is food. So had a few things on my mind today and made me think about getting a burger, a sub, made me think about pasta, made me think about a bunch of things. But nevertheless, overcame it. Had the juice today. Today I went to, I didn't make the juice today, but today I went to Whole Foods, I guess I can say the name, since they make fresh juices right there in front of you. Bought a juice there, thought I wanted to compare the taste to the juices I make at home. So turned out pretty good. And I also had a shot that they sell there of sea moss. Sea moss, apple, and lemon. It's in a small container. So I had a shot of sea moss, my first time having sea moss for the first time. So beginning of day five, I'm down 10 pounds. 10 pounds beginning of day five, okay? And day three, I messed around and weighed myself twice. I weighed myself in the morning when I got up, and I weighed myself a little bit later on that evening, which I shouldn't have. And I didn't have nothing to eat, but ironically, I gained a pound. But I think it's pretty much water weight because I was drinking water that day. But nevertheless, I'm down 10 pounds right now. So I was like, oh, can I do five and 10 pounds, or maybe I should do 5 days for 10 pounds, or maybe 20 days, 40 pounds, which will help me meet my goal, but I don't think I'm gonna go 20 days, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm counting down now, like, how many more days do I got? So I'm looking forward to Monday, because there's a lot of stuff I wanna do over the weekend, a lot of places I wanna go to, but I can't eat at these places. So I'm looking forward to Monday being my last day, to be honest with you. And when I do start back, it's gonna be not diving into what I was eating. It's probably gonna be eating something, eating a meal that may be halfway bad, like a sandwich or something like that, and the rest of the day incorporating veggies and fruits and things of that nature. So my meal plan is going to be a whole lot different, and eventually I'm going to go to eating mostly fish. But thank you for listening to me babble, 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 babble. Tomorrow's day 6, all right? And I'm almost done.